Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Math. I am your tutor Sumant PF. Today there is a brand new video on CBSE syllabus reduced to 30% class 10 science 2020-2021. So in this video you will come to know which portion is reduced the syllabus in the academic year 2020 and 2021 in the science subject. Yesterday I have brought the same video on mathematics subject, that is 30% of the mathematics subject also they have reduced. So 70% you have to learn. Which are the 70% you have to learn? Which are the 30% they have reduced? In science we will come to know. Regarding my maths video syllabus, you can check in my description or you can click on the I mark on the right side of my video, top of the video. There you can click and check that video in the card section. So before starting, all of you press the like button and subscribe my channel without forgetting. Coming to the deleted syllabus of CBSE class 10 science, in that we will discuss the deleted portion in theory. Then afterwards we will learn about the practical also. The first one theory we have. In that first unit, that is under unit 1, chemical substances and nature and behavior, what we have. In that you can check the first one, that is the metals and non-metals. In that metals and non-metals they have given that basic metallurgical process is not there for you. In that corrosion and its prevention, that is also they have removed. So first lesson they have removed the corrosion and its prevention, that is basic metallurgical process they have removed. And second one, the second what we have, it is carbon and its compounds. In that nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional groups. In that they have removed the halogens, alcohol, you can check here, halogens, alcohol, ketones, aldehydes, alkane and alkynes they have removed. And next one they have removed is difference between the saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The difference what you had from last year, that is removed now. And next one they have removed is the chemical property of carbon compound, that is combustion, oxidation, addition and substitution of reaction, that they have removed. That is chemical properties of carbon compounds they have, in that they have removed this. And next one is ethanol and ethanoic acid, that they have removed. Only they have removed here is properties and uses. See here, only they have removed properties and uses, and other than that you have everything. So next one is soaps and detergents, that they have also removed from the portion. So we have to learn from unit 1. The metals and non-metals are here and carbon and its compounds are also here. You can check the image and you can see that in your textbook what are the portion they have removed. You can mark it down and you can cancel it down. So coming to the unit 2, in this which are the topics they have removed? The topic here is the word of living. In this word of living, the thing they have removed is control and coordination in animals and plants. That lesson what you have. In that they have removed the tropical movements in plants, introduction to plants hormones, control and coordination in animals, nervous system, in that voluntary, involuntary and reflex action. In nervous system we have voluntary, involuntary and reflex action we have, that is removed. And chemical coordination and animal hormones, that they have removed from the lesson. So just you mark it down. And next one, heredity and evolution. In that basic concept of evolution is they have removed. So don't read all this thing again, because this year in 2020 and 2021 you are not going to learn this. It will be there in your textbook, but you are not supposed to read this because it is out of syllabus, that they have removed. Now coming to the third lesson, that is third unit, that is lesson number here is natural phenomena. So in natural phenomena we have the lesson as the human eye and the colorful world. This is the lesson what we have. In that, this topic what we have, in that functioning of lens in human eye, that is removed. Defects of vision and their correction, that they have removed. Application of spherical mirrors and lenses, that they have removed. So this year lots of things they have removed. So don't read all these things again, because it is out of syllabus again. From the unit 3, the natural phenomena, in that they have removed this much. You can mark it down in your textbook and no need to read for this year. Coming to the unit 4, in unit 4, effects and currents, that is the most important lesson. In that you had that magnetic effect and current of magnetic effect of electric current. You have the lesson. In that lesson they have removed electric generator, direct current, alternate current, frequency of AC, advantage of AC over DC, domestic electric circuit, that they have removed. The main topics only they have removed, and you have lots of things to learn in this. Leaving this, again you have lots of things to learn. So this one they have deleted. So this year again no need to learn this chapter once again. Only how to learn what you have leaving this. Okay, so this is all about the unit 4, effect of current. Okay, coming to the unit 5, natural resources. In that you have the lesson sources of energy. In the sources of energy they have removed different forms of energy, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. There will be difference you might have had, but that they have removed. So next is fossil fuel and solar energy, biogas, wind, water and tidal energy, that everything they have removed. Nuclear energy also they have removed. Renewable versus non-renewable sources of energy, that we have to going for the differences, that is also they have removed. So lots of things they have removed from this lesson. So go through it, and which are there that you have to learn, leaving these all. Coming to the next, that is nothing but the deleted practicals. So which are the practicals they have deleted from this year. So here are the details, you can check it there and you can note it down, or I will tell you now what the first one, that is finding the pH of the following samples by using the pH paper and universal indicator. That is first one, dilute hydrochloric acid, then you have dilute NaOH solution, then you have dilute ethanoic acid solution, lemon juice, water, dilute hydrogen carbonate solution, that they have removed. So this is about the pH, okay, paper and universal indicator that you have to use, and these are the practicals you might have done, that everything they have removed. Then second one they have given here is determination of the equivalent resistance of two resistors when connected in a series and parallel. So that is the practical which you had, that is also removed over here. Coming to the third one, what they have removed, that is nothing but the preparing a temporary mount of leaf field to show stomata, that is they have removed. And next one, study of the following properties of acetic acids, ethanoic acid in that order, solubility in water, effect on litmus and reaction with the sodium hydrogen carbonate, that they have removed. The fifth practical which I have removed is study of the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water, that is the practical they have removed. And the sixth one, the practical finding the image distance for varying object distances in case of convex lens and drawing corresponding ray diagrams to show the nature of the image form, that is also removed. The seventh practical which they have removed over here is identification of the different parts of an embryo of a dicot seed, P gram or red kidney B. So these are the removed from your practical point of view. So they have removed the 7 practical from your practical books, and this is the most important thing. So lots of things they have deducted, nearly 30% of the syllabus they have deleted, and only they have kept the 70% of the syllabus for your science syllabus. So these are the all about your which are the deleted syllabus. So I think this video is helpful for you. So if it is helpful, please subscribe my channel, please press a like button and share it as much as possible. This is only for the CBSE student, it is not for the state board at all. It is only for CBSE syllabus. Maybe it may bring to the state board also, because the same portion we have for CBSE also and state also. They may thinking about it, and let them bring this for the state syllabus also. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. See you for next video. Till then, take care.